Welcome to another episode of Gearhead Man. I am Mark, your host. In this episode, we are diving into the 2024 F1 Hot Wheels 5-pack diecast set. If you are ready, suit up, grab your helmet, and get in and buckle up. Hot Wheels accelerates Formula One fandom with 2024 JGF 58 5-car pack. Hot Wheels has expanded its growing partnership with Formula One by releasing the Hot Wheels 2024 Formula One 5-pack, model JGF 58, a collectible diecast set that brings 5 official F1 team liveries to the brand's signature 1:64 scale. The JGF 58 set features miniature representations of cars inspired by the McLaren Formula One team, BWT Alpine F1 team, Visa Cash App RB Formula One team, Kick Sauber F1 team, and MoneyGram Haas F1 team, reflecting a cross-section of established and newer names on the current Formula One grid. Each vehicle is constructed from die-cast metal with plastic components and packaged together in a single 5-car box aimed at both collectors and younger racing fans. According to product listings, the cars are modeled in Hot Wheels' standard 1:64 scale and are officially licensed Formula One products designed to be used on Hot Wheels tracks or displayed as part of a collection. The set is recommended for ages 3 and up and continues Hot Wheels' long-running approach of blending playability with motorsport branding. Retailers describe the JGF 58 pack as celebrating the 2024 Formula One season through updated graphics and team colors, aligning the release with Formula One's rising popularity in the US market. The 5-pack format allows buyers to obtain multiple teams at once, a format that has become popular among collectors seeking variety without purchasing individual cars. The Formula One 5-pack joins a broader lineup of Hot Wheels F1 branded products that have appeared across major retailers, hobby shops, and online stores. While availability varies by seller, the JGF 58 set has been listed by multiple outlets in early 2026, signaling continued demand for licensed motorsport diecast models. With its combination of official team branding, compact scale, and accessible price point, the Hot Wheels 2024 Formula One 5-pack positions itself as both an entry point for new collectors and a display-ready addition for longtime Hot Wheels and Formula One fans alike. The collaboration between Hot Wheels and Formula One was formally announced in October 2024 as a multi-year global licensing partnership, marking the first time the iconic toy brand has produced a full, officially licensed range of Formula One products. Under the agreement, Mattel gained the rights to create 1:64 scale die-cast vehicles inspired by Formula One teams, with products designed to appeal to both younger fans and adult collectors. The partnership debuted with a limited edition collector car released through Mattel Creations, signaling a broader rollout of F1 themed Hot Wheels products beginning the following year. Both companies have positioned the partnership as a way to bring Formula One's engineering, speed, and design closer to fans through accessible collectibles and play experiences. In addition to die-cast cars, The collaboration includes plans for retail activations and fan-focused experiences at select Grands Prix, further integrating the Hot Wheels brand into Formula One's global events. Executives from both organizations have emphasized that the partnership is intended to unite two large international fan bases, translating the excitement of top-tier motorsport into a format that can be raced on Hot Wheels tracks or displayed as part of a collection. Thank you for watching. Before you go, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, share, and comment. We will see you all next episode. Be safe out there.